Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This look that I recreated today was definitely inspired by, his name is Thomas Halpert. It was kind of a mixture between this look that he did, this lip action. And yeah, and since it's Valentine's Day, I thought a pink and red look would be the best to film, or you don't even have to wear it for Valentine's Day. You can wear it for when the fuck ever you want. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this beautiful look, yeah, then please keep watching. Okay, so since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I thought, what better way to celebrate Valentine's Day with none other than the Blood Sugar palette using the reds or the pinks. Red and pink are one of my favorite colors, and this palette has it all. So for today, I'm gonna kind of be using like a monochromatic theme. Yes, I know it is late and I do already have my face makeup on, but I'm still going to try. I don't know if these colors are going to be a little too pigmented for a blush, but whatever color I do end up choosing, I'm definitely going to incorporate it on my lips and for my whole eyes. So yeah, so we're starting with eyes, and I'm going to be using my NYX HD concealer, and I am the shade 02. And lately I have been trying to blend out my makeup with my fingers, and for my concealer I use my fingers only, and I think it looks just absolutely stunning when using your fingers. I know some people take it a little too far in my opinion by using their fingers for their whole face. No thank you. I have brushes for a reason, so yeah. Well, I'm definitely going to be using one of the deeper shades, red shades in this corner. I'm gonna just take this random brush, and I'm honestly gonna just dip into cherry soda right here. Pretty pigmented. I mean, this brush is already a little stained from one of the looks I have previously done. I don't know if I'm ready for this. So we have quite a lot of pigmentation. Now I'm just gonna build it up. And I'm going to smoke it out. And I'm gonna go for more of a V shape. So to protect my eye from fallout, I'm gonna use my Airspun and kind of bake under my eye, even though I already have. And I like doing this for whenever I'm doing a winged out look, so it can kind of help you maintain your winged out line. Alright, so dipping into the same cherry soda. Now I'm going to apply the same cherry soda to the outer and inner corners of my eye, leaving kind of a halo in the center so we can apply a lighter shade. So now that we left that little center window, I'm going to be taking Prick, which is this shade, and the shade I used before was cherry soda. Now I'm going to just take a small little definer brush, small little shadow brush. I'm going to be dipping into Prick. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye, and again, I'm going to bake it. Okay, so now that I have both top eyes done, I'm going to work on the bottom. Gonna be taking that same pencil brush I used and dipping into Prick. Now I'm gonna dip into Cherry Soda. I'm going to dust off. Back into this brush. That was just a snippet of my ASMR coming to theaters near you. For the lips, I'm going to be taking my foundation, Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This is what it looks like. And this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And it actually does match me pretty close. To apply this all over my lips so I can mute them out. I am going to be using the Cherry Pop shade, Cherry Soda. And I'm starting from the center, working my way out, kind of. So for the gloss, I'm going to be using my Kopari Lippy Glossy, or Lip Glossy. And this is the absolute best thing that Earth has ever had. I feel like red gloss would add a nice touch. So I'm going to use a little bit of this Smashbox lip gloss in the shade Ruby Light. And just kind of pat that on in the center. I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes. I feel like this look is missing a little bit of glitter. I'm going to go into this glitter, and this is from Target. So for the inner corner, I'm going to add a pinch of Candy Floss, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to do that just to lay down a little base that we have. So now to get this to stick on, I'm going to use some lash glue, and this is by Ardell. And I'm just going to place a little bit on my hand. So I'm going to use this little, I don't even know what kind of brush this is, and I'm going to take a bit of the glue that I had and dab it on the inner corner. It looks so cute. Boom, crying iridescent pink hearts. My whole face is about to be covered in this shit. This looks so cute, bitch. Boom. Look at that. Amazing. I'm in love. So that is it, y'all. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned until the next video. That is it. Bye, y'all. Okay,